Hello students, today you are going to be creating a picture board that shows me you understand how to find the ending sounds in these words. I'm going to make a sample board for you that shows that I understand how to find the D sound at the end of words. So I'm going to begin by going up to where it says Untitled Board, and I need to change the title so that it matches the letter I'm looking for. I'm looking for the letter D today, so I'm going to put both a capital D and lowercase d as my title. When I'm finished with the box, I'm going to use this X to close out so I can move on to the next step. My next step is to click on the first empty box. Several pictures will pop up. You need to choose a picture that ends with the sound you're looking for. My target sound is D. So I'm going to look at the first picture, card. Card has a D, so I can click on card, and it pops up in the box. Then I can X out of this and go on to the next one. So I'm going to click on my next empty box, car. That doesn't have a D. Bird. That one does. I click on my bird and I X out. Go on to the next one, hand. Cat, pig, bed, band, red, sad. And when I have the first two rows completely full, which means I have 8 pictures, I'm going to stop adding pictures. I need to leave the last 4 boxes empty so that my friends can come and tell me what they think of my picture board. I also want you to practice writing incomplete sentences today. So you are going to help your friends out by looking at their board and seeing where they did a really good job, or maybe they could have made some improvements. So when I go down to this bottom row, I leave it empty for my friends. So I'm going to pretend now this is not my board. This is a friend's board that I'm looking at, that I can leave a comment here for them. So I'm going to look back through their board. I can see up here they were trying to find the D sound at the end. Card, good. Bird, yep. Hand, yep. Cat, oh, that doesn't have a D sound. So as a friend, I'm going to go down and click on the first empty box. My picture will pop up in this box. I do not have our pictures in this box right now, so instead we're going to use the picture that looks like a person. I'm going to pretend that's a picture of me today. Click on that picture, go back and X out of my box. Then when I click on that picture, it gives me a place where I can type my message to my friend, so that they know what they could have changed with their board. I'm going to write, cat does not end with D. I've got my complete sentence with a capital C and a period at the end. I click X, and then I left a message for my friend. They know what they could have fixed, and they can see my picture so they know that is from me. After I've made my own board, I need to leave comments for at least 2 other people on their boards, so they can have nice messages at the bottom. If you don't see anything they could have changed, you can leave a nice comment that says, "I really like your board."